guys! Gumala na naman tayo. So for today's video, nandito tayo sa Skyrock. Kaya lang naunahan kami ng mga Chinese. So pumila-pila pa kami dyan. So ito yung Skyrock. At yung pupuntahan natin next ay Penis Rock. So dalawa yung Penis Rock dito sa Sukawan. At kung pupunta kayo dito guys, maghanda na kayo kasi mas mahirap pa to sa West Dog Teeth. Sa totoo lang. Para sa akin ha, bahala kayo dyan kung hindi kayo nahirapan dito. Pero para sa akin, mahirap talaga siya. Kasi ang dami siyang unexpected na mga trail. So, watch the full video. Kung skip nyo na lang yung umpisa kung hindi nyo trip. Pero tingnan nyo yung bandang dulo kasi nandun yung mga hirap. No, kung paano kami nakarating dito. We are here in year number 4. Going to Sukawan. 38 ang pamasahe ng ordinary. Oh, yan. Sa ferry kami. Yan yung sinakyan namin na ferry gang Central. At dito na kami sa Lama Island. We're going there. Sa bundok na yan. Doon tayo aakyat. Yan. Daming dinis din. Saan? Ito may CR dyan. Tapos, syempre dito tayo papasok sa mga restaurant.
Use your picture. Yan na natutulog.
Gago. Ito ang Sukawan Village. Ang ganda, no? Pagkahapon, maraming tao dito kasi makain sila dito. Or mga bandang alas 12, ganon. Yan. Ito yung last na restaurant. Yan. Sukawan Street, first street. Oh, you see that? The big one? There's a big one there. Hey, now it's visible before. See that? So, after ng Tinhaw Temple, makikita natin tong stairs. So, pag nakita nyo to, ito lang, stairs na yan. Yan na yun, paakyat doon. Ito yung daan paakyat. Hindi na kayo maliligaw dito. Yan, galing dyan. Diretso lang tayo. Coming, yeah. Now it's visible. Yeah. Now you can see them up there. Before cannot see that. Yan, diretso lang. Yan. Actually, diretso lang naman tong ano na to, stairs na to. Hanggang sa makarating tayo doon sa may pavilion. So, doon yung starting point nung papunta ng Skyrock at Penis Rock. So, ihanda na natin ang ating mga legs. Ano kami sa may pavilion banda. We're going here. So galing dyan, punta kami dito. Pagdating yun dito guys, may mga ribbon na dyan. Oh. Ayun na yung mga ribbon. So galing sa pavilion, kailangan natin umakyat ng isang bundok lang. Tapos doon na yung mga ribbon papunta sa Skyrock. Ganito yung daan dito. No, so dapat hindi kayo naka-short. Dapat mayroon kayong ganyan. Para makover yung inyong mga balat. So sabi ni Amy, pupunta daw kami ng Skyrock. If kakayanin, there, the Penis Rock.
is there. Diyan sa area na yan. So, 200 dito guys. So, pagdating dito, 200. The other one is going to Penis Rock. And the other one is going to the Sky Rock. So, may mga ribbon. Basta yung going to the right, going to Penis Rock, and going to the left, going to the Sky Rock. So, maraming ribbon dito. Hindi naman tayo maliligaw. So, sa may pavilion or papunta kayo ng Penis Rock, makikita nyo tong bundok na to. Ganito siya. No, yung mga kakahuyan. So, akyat muna kayo ng isang bundok. Tapos makikita nyo na itong mga ganitong kahoy-kahoy na to. So, dito yung tamang daan. At pag nandito kayo, makikita nyo yung I think that is Turtle Beach na tinatawag. Siampawan ata. Nakalimutan ko guys, Siampawan ata yan. Ayan guys, hindi kayo maliligaw. Because there's so many ribbon. At isa lang naman talaga yung daan dito. Ganyan lang siya. At nakikita nyo yung beach. No? ng Turtle Beach. Nakalimutan ko lang siya sa Chinese. Pero dyan yung mga pawikan, mga turquoise. Pero kailangan wag kayo mag-short dito, oy. So kailangan meron kayong arm protector. So this is the way sa doon papunta. Kasi sa Sky Rock. No. Emmy, the beach is so beautiful there. So dito lang tayo papunta, no? Mong daan.
Alam niyo yung kilo.
Ah, that's the rock.
This is a rock. Now,
That's the rock
where is the skyrock?
that they pass.
No, we passed already the many rocks, Emmy. Huh? This one is rock. We passed already a lot of rocks.
Is here. You just shut up if you don't know.
Yeah, because there's a lot of rocks. So don't
So-
look for the rock.
You
We
don't
have
even
many
know what it
rocks
is. So
here.
shut up.
OMG. Sky rock. I'm yelling to my din.
You need you need to make yourself smaller.
Sky rock. I saw the ribbon.
Yeah.
Here, I have to go down here
Just squash your body.
and squeeze my body in here.
You just follow here, guys. Sky Rock.
This is quite
So some people are already there. Oh no, crawl again. Mm. So scary. But we need to follow the ribbon that says Sky Rock.
Hawakan mo yung hanging bread.
Itong ribbon na to guys, papunta sa Skyrock. Ito.
Mylene is pure. I'm a curious Mylene.
Here is mountain, submit later.
Oh.
Here is to finish rock.
Oh, dito tayo sa finish rock ni. Where
Sa
we
Finish Rock.
Here,
go? Here.
there is mountain submit. Later we
May
go
tubig ka
down
pa?
into the- You see the ribbon is here.
Meron.
Marami pa ba?
Bakit lang tubig?
Ito na, wala na.
Ay sus, katanga talaga.
Okay, okay. Well, matagal na. Okay, go.
Very nice here, right? And then the finish work, right?
Yan. Yan, mayroon siyang rock doon. Na parang froggy. Ouch!
3 hours!
Ang hirap! So many lost.
If that was is, I think 30 minutes, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So this is the sky rock. Yes.
So, that way going to Skyrock na daw. Yan guys, so nandito na tayo. Pag nakita nyo yan, yan. May daan dito, dalawa ulit. We're going there first. Yan. Yan, so nandun na sila. Go! Ayan na siya guys. We'll go there. Medyo mahirap lang yung daan. Dito na pwedeng naka-short dito. Sabit-sabit yung braso at binti mo.
A minute. What is that? Oh, it's that a bundok.
What? What bundok?
Big mouth. It's that a bundokers. Oh, you go. This is the advanced thinkers. Advanced thinkers.
Sila naman doon sa inupuan natin.
Yeah. Now here also you have to crawl. Crawling,
Crawling time. It's
This is not easy, right?
okay.
I think okay. Okay, Malin,
Okay. Go ahead.
you have to sit. You have to sit. That's not I sit. Sit on the ground.
Kalandian nyo yan, tanggapin nyo. Walang nag-utos sa inyo para umakyat ng bundok.
I cannot jump. It's dangerous if you grab the plant. You sit and then use your leg to grab the other plant.
Oh, you understand? You understand, my friend?
Dangerous if you grab the plant.
Eh.
Okay, I sit ma.
You sit.
You sit that rock and then your leg to grab other rock. What?
Ayusin mo yan, ayusin mo yan.
I can't.
Sige.
That's mine. You need me to hold your hand?
Sige.
Ah,
No, don't help her, Eme. Don't help her, please. Please.
you did it now. Okay?
Oh, Rosa get lost. Don't know how to find your way. I think have two way. Rosa get lost.
Grab. Now, go. Hurry up.
Bastos ka! Bastos! Let's go, man.
Go hanging, girls. Go.
Okay, go.
Go. One hanging there.
Here's the bagging.
There's the bagging, hanging.
Okay, 1,
2,
2.
3. Tarzan.
Oh, honey. Oh, honey.
One more.
Yeah, because of the another one.
Another bagging here.
You must do that, huh? Here's the another hanging.
Okay, hanging.
Hanging.
Tarzan.
Oh, Tarzan.
Woo! Tarzan. Go guys, let's continue the bagging. Ganito ka stiff dito dumaan guys. Oh, kailangan mong humawak talaga ng mga vines. Otherwise, you will rock and roll. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Sino kasi nagpauso nitong Skyrock?
Emmy says Skyrock. Now we have to do the Skyrock here.
We are Tarzan, not Skyrock. Oh, stuck. Ah.
OMG. Oh. Oh. Ah,
Yeah, of course.
still.
Now we need to go inside in the rock. Yeah, inside. The hole.
The whole rock?
The hole of the rock. Yes.
Wow.
You go like this.
Go.
Your shoes is stuck. There is dito sa Skyrock.
过来一点呐，
过来一点，你要伸直，手也伸直，手也伸直，哦。笑到冒出汗。好了，从往我们这边走。
上面看着，可以的吧？就是。
You try to go up your feet.
Take my
How
picture
about
here.
you? How about you?
Just take my picture. Time for this there.
Emmy, you go up or you go up?
No. Okay, come here. Look at me.
I just want the picture that
This
hang
one.
here.
Okay. Oh, you go up, you go down, and then hang.
You want to come here and then you don't want to go up?
I'm scared.
No.
Really, I'm scared.
I want to try even if it's only there. Wala ng tao! No, wala ng tao.
Di, parang nakasunod yun sila kanina. Iba ka
So, baka. So, we're going up there. Dito ang daan! Patlas! Yeah. Yan. From this side, we can see the Lama Winds over there and the coal mine. There. So, we're almost there in the top of the Mount Stenos. Pero grabe yung pagod. Sobrang pagod ko talaga, grabe. I'm not in the good mood today na mag-hike. Oh my God. Matataas pa sa akin yung mga ano. Grabe. Punta naman daw kung sa rock formation tong mga to. We are here. Wait.
Ay, sorry. Kamay. Ay, sorry. Kamay. Kamay.
So, lapit na tayo sa Spanish Rock. Go to the left. Go to the left daw. Yeah. So, dito. Ayan. Don't miss the yan. It should be here. It should be here. Dito naman daw, right naman daw. VIP. Oh. Anong ma... Come here.
Where's the patay-tay?
You have to stop there first. I take a picture.
Ouch.
We're going home from the Penis Rock and the Sky Rock. And you see that? Another penis there. The big penis is there.
Where?
There.
Have many pennies?
Yeah.
I like it.
You like. But the gapang you like also? We're going home from the Penis Rock and the Sky Rock. And you see that? Another penis there. The big penis is there.
Where?
There.
Have many pennies?
Yeah.
I like it.
You like. But the gapang you like also? Yan, you see that? We're going back home.
Someone on the top of the...
So, mula dito guys, pauwi na kami. So, medyo, yun, mahirap pa rin ang daan. Kasi more on pababa siya. Kailangan mong manguyampit sa mga halaman dito. So, I have my gloves. At kailangan talaga na hangganyan ka. So, yun lang. Kitang-kita tayo ulit sa susunod naming mga vlog. So, babalik tayo dun pala sa may pavilion, pabalik ng Sokowan. So, yun yung way natin pauwi. Slow down. We're back in the pavilion at 5:46.
Yes.
And it's dark. Hindi ako nag-video nung masyadong pababa kasi ang hirap. Hindi kaya ng powers. So, yun lang guys. Pauwi na kami.